Hi guys, Chris here at Purely Outdoors, and today we're reviewing one of my favourite campervan Driveaway awnings. So this is the super premium Dometic Club AIR Driveaway Awning. So let's get into the key features on this one. So in terms of sizing, so you've got 2.6 metres of width, 2.5 metres of depth, and then a further 90 centimetres of depth in the tunnel. So really spacious and sits really nicely on your sort of T5, T6s or transit vans. So the height range on this one is quite a broad spectrum from 180 to 225. So it will fit a number of vans between those height ranges. So definitely worth just measuring up your van beforehand just to check from the ground up to the awning rail that you're in that height range. But we'll get into the full sort of interior and exterior features now. There are a lot to get through, but we'll hopefully discuss why this awning, it's at the premium price point, and we'll discuss why it justifies that. So starting with the fabric, it's the Weathershield Pro fabric, so the most popular fabric that Dometic produce. They've used it across their full caravan porch awning range. It's been very, very popular for the last few years from that perspective. They brought it across into this model here. So very good from a waterproofing perspective and a UV resistance perspective. It's one of those fabrics you really want to touch and feel in person, and come and see it here in our showroom, and you get a feel of that quality straight away. In terms of the structure of the awning, so as you can see, it's an air awning, and it's a single point inflation awning as well. So great thing with that is it's super convenient, really easy to get it pitched, because you're pumping it up from one valve and then the air is then distributed around the awning. All the beams come pre-angled, pre-built in, so it's super sort of efficient and convenient from that perspective. Okay, as we move our way round, you'll see we've got a lot of entry and exit points to the awning. So first thing to note is you've got these really nice spacious panels here. They can be zipped out and interchangeable on either side. So you've got two mesh doorways and a full mesh panel here as well with the window. So you can sort of tailor it to how you see fit. You can also purchase the mesh panels for the front panel as well. So if you want that breathability in the summer months, you want that airflow in and out without the bugs getting in, it might be worth looking at purchasing that alongside it. As well as the side panels here, if you want further bedroom space, you can purchase the tall annex, which is probably the most popular accessory we sell alongside with the Dometic awnings. That can bolt on and zip into either side, and then you've got extra sleeping space to either side of the awning as well. Other key points to note, we've got these lovely heavy duty high vis guy strapping points and extra storm strapping points as well. So in gustier conditions, you can purchase the storm straps alongside that as well. So as we work our way back, you can see how this actually connects to the vehicle itself. So you've got the K-door strip there that can go into an awning rail or into a wind out awning in conjunction with the Driveaway kit. So that allows you to get the awning pitched, and if you want to drive the van away, you can simply take out the Driveaway kit and drive the van away. So really super quick and easy from that perspective. The tunnel section is really good on this one as well, that you can really tension the fabric. So if you are at different ends of that spectrum of the height range, you can tension the fabric to make sure it sits really nicely on the vehicle. Okay, we'll take a look inside the awning now, guys. So as we pop in, you can see the first thing I think you notice is this really nice big panel at the front. So we've rolled this back to have a half doorway, but you've got these really nice large windows, and you've got the curtains that slide across as well. So if you want that privacy, you've got the curtains inbuilt on all panels as well. Okay, so we'll take a step backwards now. So as we mentioned before, loads of access points. And what I really like about the Club Driveaway is you've got the panel that connects the awning to the actual connection tunnel. This can be rolled back or zipped out completely. So if you want that completely sort of open, airy feel inside the awning, you can do that as well. It just makes it feel even more spacious. Another great point is you've got way over 2 meters of height on this one. So it's a lovely pre-angled beam. So again, it just makes the awning feel even bigger than it actually is. Okay. As we come backwards, like you say, loads of key points to note here. You've got the dual access on your tunnel section as well. So perfect for prams or wheelchairs in and out of the vehicle. You've got loads of different points to do that. In terms of making the awning feel even more homely, Dometic are probably the masters at really thinking about everything that you could possibly want on the campsite and making sure you can get that specifically for your awning. So we'll start with some of those now. So they do a roof liner. So really important to help with condensation and stuff like that, to emit that in the awning. You can purchase a roof liner that simply toggle into these white toggle points here, and that just allows for that condensation to hit into the roof liner as opposed to sitting on your roof fabric there. Other key points to note, so this awning you can get, as we mentioned before, the mesh panel set for the front. You can also get a footprint and a carpet made to measure as well, so it feels really nice and homely underfoot. Okay, I think in summary guys, this is probably one of the most premium campervan awnings on the market. I mean, Dometic for some time were probably missing that really premium awning in the campervan area. They've been masters of it from a caravan and motorhome perspective. They've brought in the Club Driveaway. They've also brought out a Club Deluxe, which is effectively an elongated version of this one. And I think those two awnings have really hit the two different size points. So this one probably more catered to couples, and the Club Deluxe Driveaway more for larger families. They've really gone towards that super premium, fantastic inflation system if you want something that's really quick and easy to get up and down, and a fabric that's going to last the test of time. So if you think they're qualities that you're looking for in a Driveaway awning, you don't need to look much further than this one. Thanks so much for watching.